Alright, what is up, guys? It is Easter Sunday, so we are going to see if the little parking lot is empty. Might do a little lot day. Both this small lot and the big lot are both empty. There were a few people over there, so I'm just gonna mess around over here for a little bit, but sweet, we'll have a bunch of time to stunt around and do some stuff. So let's get into it. Big parking lot feels. Haven't been here in such a long time. Is it really snowing right now? Oh, fuck you. It's literally Easter Sunday. What the fuck? I want a fucking ride, and it's fucking snowing. Oh, it definitely is. I just got it in the eye. Fuck. Oh, getting so much closer. There are people over here. Let's see what the really big parking lots look like. Well, it's definitely fucking cold. Got a hella cold in like fucking less than a half hour. So that sucks. Oh, it's really snowing too. It's fucking snowing bad too. Yeah, we're doing entire lengths of parking lots now. Just trying to really tone it in. Fucking hail. hard, I'll tell you that. Look at it. It's fucking coming down now. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? I gotta give this little bitch a wash. She's fucking drying up a little bit. Are you ready for my favorite trick? I need to learn this. This is my favorite. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna have to go home because it's snowing pretty fucking hard. God damn it. Today was gonna be a nice lot day too. Damn it. Dude, it's fucking coming down. What the fuck? Welcome to Vermont. It could be sunny one minute and fucking literally a fucking blizzard the next. This is why I don't get a lot of seat time, especially during these kinds of months. It absolutely sucks to live in this state when this happens, because like today could have been a perfect day and now it's just gonna snow all day, I guarantee you. And now it dead stops. We are going to go to a little lot again, I guess. Because I'm not going to give up my really nice lot day just so I can snow for 15 minutes. It's okay, because they don't want me at the big lot anyways, because I was there like a lot a few months ago, and if you don't remember, you can go back. I think I labeled the video "Lot Day Ends with Cops." And yeah, they pretty much just like they were pretty nice, but they pretty much just said like, hey, if you crash and get hurt, it would be liable to us. So they pretty much just asked me like very nicely to leave and find a new spot. So I mean, that's what I've done here, and until I like hear anything like from people, I'll just kind of ride here every once in a while. But hopefully really soon I can find a few more lots closer to my new house, but until then I'm just kind of riding around the streets, because like honestly, like I really don't have a place to go. There is a Instagram page that you guys need to follow. It's called We Strive for a Place to Ride. It is our entire goal to find a place for our stunt riders and these kids coming up into stunt riding, and even the older guys that, you know, still are in the stunt riding groups. We're constantly riding in places that we shouldn't, because we literally don't have any legal places to go. So everybody complains and everybody says, oh, you could be doing this, you could be doing that, why are you here, you know, why are you riding the street? The answer is, like, we don't have any other place, you know. We can't ride in the dirt, you know. You don't build us any tracks like motocross tracks or skate parks. You don't build us any parks, you know what I mean? So we don't really have any other place to go. And we're really nice people, you know. We try to find empty parking lots. We're not trying to do things around your cars, you know what I mean? Like, so if you guys haven't, or just even haven't heard of them, go check them out. I'm gonna put the link in the bio below, and just go follow them and subscribe and keep watching all their stories, because they are the modern page for all the stunt riders kind of goal. You know, they keep on trying to make us look good and show people that we're not out here trying to hurt people, you know. We're not trying to annoy people. We're literally just trying to ride, do what we love, and we just don't have any place to do it, you know. So if you can, subscribe to me, obviously. Subscribe to Kyle Knievel. I'll name off a bunch of guys for you. Subscribe to Brian636, Highside Joey, Kyle Knievel, Top Notch, oh, I'm missing so many people. We strive for a place to ride. Stunt Daily, Smoke Every Day is also Smoke Daily's, or Stunt Daily's second page, so go follow that. Like, these are the guys that you should be supporting. Tang Tanks, Nasty Stuntin', Curtis Cages, just so many people that that are underrated at this point for how good their quality is. One Finger Pro Taper, Ride Rich. I'm wearing Ride Rich armor right now. Rome Zeros. Usually I'm not wearing them right now, but usually I am. Man in the Box has all the shifter, the caliper, the dual caliper, lines, bars, all kinds of stuff. Magura and Brembo 100% should be thanked, because they are the people protecting us after we cannot control our throttle. They are the guys that are stopping us from hurting ourselves, literally. So shout out to them. Kawasaki in general makes both of my bikes, both of my favorite bikes, the 636 and the Z125. So shout out to them for continually making these. And I thought that was some, I think that's somebody. No, that's not somebody. I thought somebody was like watching me. I was like, what the fuck? These are the guys, like, just all these people are the guys that you should be supporting, following, checking out on the daily, because these guys put heart into this sport, blood, sweat, tears, and honestly, they don't get enough recognition for what they've done for our passion and helped us all as a group become more known and socially acceptable, you know. So thank you guys for watching. I don't know where this dog is. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, if I can get out, I'm going to. So stay tuned, keep watching. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, as always. If you always like get to the end of my videos, I appreciate you so much, like, for actually paying attention, supporting me, who's literally just trying to help out and entertain friends, family. Thank you guys, seriously, for supporting me. Any merch I have is on my Instagram or my Facebook, and it's all pre-ordered at this point, because I'm such a little company. But I am so thankful that I could even make a company in general, to just because of all your support and all your just support, really. But I am losing my track of thought. We are going to stunt around for a little bit. I'm thinking about this fucking snow because the clouds don't look nice anymore. Damn it. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to my little rant, and